Are you feeling constantly drained and losing your natural spark? Most people blame aging, but the real culprit is hormones. Today, we reveal the ancient Shatavari root for total vitality. This legendary tea can restore your energy in 7 days. Stop settling for exhaustion and reclaim your ultimate zest now. Watch how this simple ritual transforms your well-being starting today. If you want more natural healing secrets, subscribe Wellness Path Podcast now. But wait. Why do expensive synthetic supplements often fail miserably? Modern life is secretly draining your natural energy every day. You might feel constant burnout, low libido, and brain fog. Most people think this is just a part of aging, but high cortisol levels are the real hidden enemy here. Stress triggers cortisol, which slowly disrupts your entire hormonal balance. Environmental toxins in 2026 are making this crisis even worse. These toxins hide in your water, food, and plastic containers. They mimic estrogen and confuse your body's delicate endocrine system. Your biological rhythm is struggling to stay in perfect balance. Stop for a second and check your current energy level. Synthetic supplements often provide only a very temporary energy boost. They fail to address the root cause of your systemic fatigue. Relying on chemicals can sometimes lead to even more imbalances. Your body craves a natural solution from the ancient past. Ancient healers used botanical wisdom to restore deep physical vitality. They understood how to harmonize the body without harsh side effects. One specific ancestral remedy outperforms almost every modern synthetic pill. It targets the endocrine system to recalibrate your internal drive. This botanical approach transforms exhaustion into sustained and vibrant energy. You deserve to feel powerful and focused throughout your day. Nature has already provided the ultimate tool for your recovery, but wait until you see why expensive energy drinks actually fail. Meet Maca, the ancient Peruvian powerhouse, for your daily stamina. Warrior tribes use this root for incredible strength and reproductive health. It grows in harsh conditions, making it a very resilient plant. This resilience is passed directly to your body through its nutrients. Maca is a potent adaptogen that helps your body manage stress. It allows your system to self-regulate hormone production very naturally. Latest clinical trials in 2026 are finally validating this ancient wisdom. Research shows it significantly improves mood and overall physical endurance. Unlike caffeine, it provides steady energy without a nasty crash. Imagine feeling as strong as a legendary ancient warrior. It works by supporting the pituitary gland for better hormonal flow. This tiny gland controls how your entire body reacts to life. By nourishing it, you unlock a hidden fountain of youthful vitality. Advanced booster tip: mix your maca with a healthy fat like coconut. Natural fats help your body absorb the root's fat-soluble nutrients. This simple hack creates a much longer-lasting energy release daily. You will feel a steady pulse of drive throughout your afternoon. Many people notice a shift in their desire within 2 weeks. It is a gentle yet powerful way to reclaim your passion. This route bridges the gap between ancient ritual and modern science. You are not just drinking tea. You are reclaiming your life. But wait until you see why high heat can ruin everything. Now, let us master the traditional slow steep method for maximum potency. Never use boiling water, as high heat destroys sensitive enzymes. Instead, use warm water to extract the most bioavailable alkaloids. Mix 1 teaspoon of pure maca powder into your warm liquid. Stir slowly to ensure the powder dissolves into a smooth tonic. Add a pinch of cinnamon to help stabilize your blood sugar. This ancient ritual ensures your body absorbs every single healing nutrient. Timing your consumption is crucial for aligning with your circadian rhythm. Drink this elixir in the morning for peak focus and energy. Take a deep breath and feel your body's potential. Morning intake helps your system handle the day's upcoming stress better. If you need evening support, use a much smaller, gentler dose. Cycling your intake prevents your body from building a high tolerance. Use the tea for 5 days. Then rest for 2 days. This simple protocol maintains the long-term potency of the herbal route. Advanced booster tip: add raw cacao for a powerful dopamine energy boost. Cacao works with maca to enhance your mood and creative drive. Within 30 days, you will notice a profound metabolic shift inside. Your systemic fatigue will transform into a sustained and vibrant glow. Improved desire and physical resilience will become your new daily norm. Replace your morning caffeine hit with this tea starting tomorrow morning. Jumpstart your vitality recovery process and feel truly alive once again. Your journey to natural vitality starts with this single cup. Commit to this ancient ritual and watch your life transform. Don't let hormonal imbalance hold your true potential back anymore. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Share this with someone who needs to reclaim their energy. Subscribe to Wellness Path Podcast for more natural healing secrets. Thank you for watching and stay vibrant. Until next time.